When you're a beginner, everything comes easy. You can build muscle fast, you can build strength fast. All the exercises work because it's your first time doing them. But we're not really paying attention to the nuances that we need to so that we can continue to make gains as we advance. So what we're gonna go over today are 4 mistakes that I made early in my career and 4 things I would have told myself to change in my routine when I got started. That way you don't have to make the same mistakes that every beginner makes. Mistake number 1, you're starting with the bro split. So the bro split is a very classic split. It's something that seems simple and easy to follow. You're literally going to work one body part every single day. Back on one day, you do chest on the next day. You may do biceps on a day, triceps on a day, shoulders. And the problem with the bro split, the reason you don't want to do it is because it doesn't give your body enough stimulus to really grow the muscle and strength that you're capable of. You wind up training each muscle once every 7 days. Your body is capable of more than that. The way I would prefer you think about it, and one of the best splits out there, think about going pull on your first day, so that's going to be your back and biceps exercises. Think about going push on your second day. That's going to be your chest exercises like your bench press and your push-ups, your triceps and your shoulders. Go legs on your third day, and then you can take a rest day and repeat that. That's a much smarter 7-day cycle that's going to allow you to challenge your body more. And the more frequently we can challenge our bodies while still getting enough rest that we can recover, the more frequently we can do that, the more we're going to, and the faster we're going to build muscle and build strength. Mistake number 2, you have too much variability in your workout. In order for us to get strong, we have to do core exercises and we have to repeat these exercises because that's how we get better at them. You go into the gym on Monday and you bench press X amount of weight, and then you can go back on Thursday, and because you did that just 2 days ago, because that was the lift you started with, you can continue to get strong, continue to reinforce good form and technique, and get better at the lift. You have to get better at the basics as opposed to doing too many exercises. Mistake number 3, you're not focusing enough on power and pure strength in your workouts. When we think about building muscle, very often we're going to hear about working in what's called a hypertrophy rep range, where we're thinking 6 to 12 reps in every set. You can't be afraid to work lower than that. Sometimes doing sets of, say, 2 reps or 3 reps or 4 reps, and when you're working in these lower sets, here's what's happening. You're getting to build power and explosiveness, and you're getting to teach your body that you can work with a very, very heavy weight. Think about every single workout you do, have one exercise where you drop into that 2 to 4 rep range and push your strength and power, and then every exercise after that, we can focus on that 6 to 12 rep range. And then there's the forgotten piece of strength training. We need to take more rest time instead of less rest time between our sets. So instead of taking, say, 10 seconds or 20 seconds or even 30 seconds between your set, especially early on in your workout, don't be afraid to take a full 90 seconds or 2 minutes between your set. We've got to be moving a quality amount of weight for quality reps in order to build strength and muscle, and you can't do that if you're only taking 15 to 20 seconds between sets. I don't want you lifting 15-pound dumbbells. I want you picking up heavy weights because that's what's going to build strength, and you can't do that if you're not taking enough rest time. The best part about this is all of these tips work together. So when we get away from the bro split and we're working pull push legs, suddenly your power exercise is built into your workout, so you have the chance to train with power covered. And if we're taking those big rest periods, suddenly we're able to push that heavy weight that's gonna help us build the strength that we want. We're gonna reinforce that by repeating this instead of going to all those variable motions, and suddenly you're building the muscle and strength you want. So get after it with these tips, and we wanna see all of you guys grow.